Hey guys, what's up? It's me, the Yellow Penguin, and here we have a mysterious HP laptop. And by that I mean, I don't know anything about it. This was literally a computer that was just given to me by my friend last week, who said someone they knew did not want it and they were sent to e-waste and asked if I wanted it instead. And I said, sure, I'll take it. And well, here it is. All I know is it's an HP and it's massive. I'm pretty sure it's a 17-inch laptop. We open it, as you can see, it's massive. There's so much you can see on here. Besides being a very reflective screen and being modern enough to have the Windows 8 or 10 style, I don't know anything about it. I have it plugged in. They said they don't know if it works, so we'll try turning it on. Okay, well that's promising. Press escape key for startup menu. Okay. So it looks like it's, okay, yeah, so it's booting to Windows. There's something on the DVD drive. Let's see what's that. What's in here? Funny. In the disk drive, we have this Understanding Japan, a Cultural History DVD from 2015. And it looks like it wants to do a check disk, but we're gonna ignore that. Because I don't want to do check disk right now. Okay, so we're actually on the lock screen. Let's see if there's an account. It is very, okay, no, there's not an account. It is very slow, that for sure. It's probably a hard drive. I don't know anything about the computer. It had a date of January, so I'm assuming that's when the computer was last used, was January. Well, it's certainly a slow computer, I can tell you that. That's for sure. One thing wrong with it. Oh, okay, there we go. I'm assuming there's gonna be a bunch of personal stuff popping up, so I might have to censor the screen. If so, we'll cut to the system properties. I've never seen that right click right here be so limited in options. But alrighty, let's see. Okay, I zoomed in just a little bit on my phone. Okay, so we have an AMD A10 4655M APU. Okay, if it's AMD, it's probably not great, and if it's a, well, I guess it actually can't, it might not be terrible if it's a A10. We have 6 gigabytes of RAM. It's a weird amount, usually computers have 4 or 8, but 6 is alright. And we have a 500 gigabyte hard drive, and we have a built-in Radeon graphics. It is a, yep, HP Pavilion 17 notebook PC. No kidding, it's a 17-inch laptop. No touchscreen. They called it the big laptop, which you can probably guess to why. And we are running Windows 10 Home 22H2 from October 2021. All right, so those are the specs. Let's check File Explorer real quick, see if anything else we can find about the hard drive, to see just any sort of date or anything like that, if the computer decides to load. Alright, this is the most I can show without getting to anything personal. We do have a network drive that can connect, obviously. I'm not connecting to the internet. But we do have a recovery partition, which makes me believe we can get the OEM install back. Now, since I'm just going to wipe this computer, I have no problem doing so. Also, at the same time, looks like we have some icons finally loaded. We have just the usual stuff, I guess, web browsers, and we have Excel and Word. I think this is Word 2007. Let's take a look real quick to see what Word version it is. Yeah, Office 2007. Throwback. Alright, we can close that. I don't want that. Alright, well, in that case, let's get started. So, alright, so for HP in the recovery, it is F11. Let's see really quickly if we can get anything more out of it. We'll pause on the boot menu real quick, start up. I have no idea why. I think this might be legacy, so I might check the BIOS out, but let's, system info, HP Pavilion 17, okay, it's not really any more descriptive than it was. I could probably look up that serial number and get a, say, model. Okay, born on date, June 26, 2015, so this would be Windows 8. Probably 0.1, so this is like just before Windows 10 release. This is computer's age. Alright, well before we do recovery, let's just check the BIOS out real quick. Oh yeah, factory installed OS 8.1, okay, well that answers that. It does think it's January 2026, so it's probably the last time the computer was used. It looks like no password. Let's see. Okay, we do have legacy support. But CSN. Okay, let's disable that because we don't need legacy. The fans are at full blast now, but we're gonna go ahead and exit saving changes. Calm down. We're gonna press F11 because to get to system recovery. Please wait. We will wait and we'll come back. All right, choose your key. Oh, nope, not okay. I think I just did Albania by accident. All right, I guess we'll troubleshoot. Okay, HP Recovery Manager, perfect. We have refresh your PC. Yeah, I think that's Windows 8. I don't think Windows 10 had refresh your PC. So let's do Recovery Manager because I'm pretty sure that'll get us the OEM. I guess we'll choose Windows 10. Oh, look, I didn't even know okay. Oh, it's running battery power. No, it's not. No, it is not. I see the light. That's Windows 8, okay. Let's try that again. There we go. Okay. We can do a system recovery or a minimize recovery. Let's do a system recovery. I want to get factory, no backup. That's fine. Okay, yep, just like that, we're getting started. All right, well, we'll just time lapse this and let this do its process and we'll come back when it's complete. Just as I suspected, here we are on Windows 8.1. Maybe we're in the out-of-box experience, so let's just get started because there's probably to be something else in the background we have to do. But license agreement, we agree. Can we opt out of HP's register? Let's just skip. Okay, cool. Don't want to register for HP particularly. Personalize this PC. I don't know what the computer is. We'll call Pavilion, and I like the Windows 8 whole customized thing, so I'm feeling this. Actually, is default. I'm feeling this like lighter purple. Let's do that. We're not gonna do it. We'll leave. Let's see. That's okay. Alrighty. Just do an account name. Alright, and there we go. Finalize in our settings. So I don't remember. I don't know on this computer if there's gonna be another out-of-box part we have to do, or if that's gonna be everything, because every computer is different. So we'll go ahead and let it go through its high thing, and then I'll be right back when that's complete. All right, and here in the desktop, and it is literally just like any other HP with everything you can see here. Base just from the wallpaper down to the dock. Now in this video, I'm not going to go through literally every single thing about this and updating, but wow, there's a lot. So just a reminder, this computer, the born on date is June 2015. So this computer was made while Windows 10 is in production. It's not right after. I may need more videos on this computer with the OEM and everything like that. If you're interested, leave a comment. However, in this video, we're just gonna go through everything. I'm gonna set the computer up off camera. So let's just take a look through it. I actually have a little pop-up right here saying, oh, okay, let's read this. Smart AC adapters, you can find them at retailers, connected to Oh, I see. So basically it's just saying my power adapter sucks. It's all this is saying is my power adapter sucks. If I unplug it, does it go away? Yep. And we'll plug it back in again. Yeah, okay, cool. Basically just saying my charger sucks. It's charging the battery, so we got something. Okay. I don't know what that is. So in the desktop we have some connected things, which I don't know what that is, but that was also the Windows 10 partition. Evernote, HP stuff, McAfee, and some shortcuts and Wild Tangent Games. Opening the start. Okay, yeah, HP connected, so there's HP stuff. Have some more stuff. And then these are all the HP apps, as you can see right here. Got some nice stuff on here, which is nice because you can't get anything from the store anymore, so it's nice to have some pre-installed Windows 8 apps. Like, I don't know why it keeps doing that. The trackpad kind of sucks. Whoa. Let's try again. There we go. So looking at this, we have Wild Tangent, Beam Translator, HP stuff, Hearts Deluxe, Game Started Windows 8, McAfee, some Microsoft games, Netflix is on here, Weather Channel. Oh, there's everything. Okay. Got some games, quite a bit of games. Plants vs. Zombies. I think it's always on every single computer. Some more HP stuff. I saw CyberPower there for a second till it closed again. Some other stuff. We got Foxit, PDF, CyberPower, McAfee again, and normal and stuff. So there actually isn't quite as much as I would have thought would be on here. Oh, we also have Beats Audio. I think it's, yeah, Beats Audio. So we do have something on that. We're down here. I bet we do. Yes, we do. So that's kind of cool. HPs from this period always just having. See, there we go. Because HP is just from this time had the Beats Audio. I think a lot of them did, so it's kind of nice to hear that. But some nice Windows 8 sounds. Let's go to system again. Just take a look. Yep, same specs, everything as we had before. And the same 500 gig hard drive. So, yeah, okay, it's a CK hard drive. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video of, I guess, reinstalling this computer to its OEM image. If you guys are interested in this computer, I can make another video on it, especially if it's usability, 17-inch screen, seeing how the software works on Windows 10, and other things like that. Well, other than that, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any feedback, leave them in the comments. Check out my social media. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye.